Hello friends, welcome in the new tutorial. Till now we have prepared this summary dashboard. In this tutorial we are going to insert a bar chart. So you have to go to insert tab and you have to select this. You can select any sort of things. But for preparing a easy way, you have to select this data first, and by clicking this you will get this chart. But for attractive purpose, you can select any kind of chart which are available over here. Let us say we are going to select this chart for practice purpose. Now if you want to edit this chart, you can, by clicking this, you can edit this chart. So what we are going to apply, bar chart. But for attractive purpose, what we are going to use, we are going to plot the same color which we have allotted. So for this first completed chart, we are going to apply some green sort of color. Let us apply this green color, but this is a shape outline. I don't want any outline, but I want as a fill color as a green over here. I want fill color as a red over here. I want fill color as some orange type. And right now over here I want this blue color. But over here nothing is plotted. So what we are going to use, we are just copying this equation and randomly we are placing some value. So we will get this plot. Let us change this color to gray. So whenever our data will be just there, automatically it will plot the data and again paste this same equation. So finally we have created this bar chart. But there are more elements which are available. As you can apply this chart element. So over here primary horizontal axis is plotted. You can remove this thing. So this is called as horizontal axis, this is called as vertical axis. Right now both are plotted, that's why they are selected. Axis title, you can set that if you want both the title, you have to select both. Right now I'm going to apply this vertical title as numbers. So I am just typing as number, right? So this way you can add this vertical title. So there are more number of data labels that we want some professional approach that outside of this. Again we want to plot, let's say legend, data legend with legend key. Right now we have only one series. So what is the series? So by doing this select data, again select this 2. Over here I am just selecting this 2 column and pressing OK. So it is calculating as a series 1, this series 2. If you want to change this name, just go to select data, select this thing, edit. You can give your name as per your choice. So over here it is showing us the number of tasks. Let us say this is called as a task, right? And the series 2 we will call as percentage. Okay, apply OK. So finally both the things are replaced with this. Now what we want to, let's say if anything add, we can add trend line. We are not going to use as there is not trend anything available. So these are the things which you can use. If you want to add the border, just click this thing, or we can say double clicking this table, it will open up this table on the right side. So we want to apply the solid line and the line color will be red. I want to increase the width so we can easily visualize this thing. And I want just think a lot, let's say double line and not a dash type but just a solid line. So finally we have created double lined box, and also we want to create some glow. So you have to go to there and just select, you can also select arbitrary color. Right now I am selecting this only and I am increasing the width. I am going to decrease this transparency. So see, our finally bar chart is prepared. So in the next tutorial we are going to prepare pie chart. So till now just practice this bar chart. If you have any sort of query, just ask me under question answer session. I will glad to help you out with your query. See you soon in the next lecture. Till now practice it as much as you can.